Mexico City, AP. Hurricane Genevieve grew rapidly into a highly dangerous Category 4 storm on Tuesday, threatening to bring tropical storm force winds to parts of the Baja California Peninsula, even if its center wasn't likely to hit land. The U.S. National Hurricane Center said the storm had maximum sustained winds of 130 miles per hour, 210 kph. Early Tuesday, and it was centered about 390 miles, 630 kilometers, south-southeast of the southern tip of the Baja Peninsula. It was moving to the northwest at 16 miles per hour, 26 kph. A tropical storm warning was in effect for the peninsula from Los Barrios to Todos Santos. The Hurricane Center said Genevieve's center was expected to move parallel to but offshore the coast, but close enough to bring powerful winds and high surf by Wednesday night or Thursday.